Okay, hi, I'm Roberta Muir. Welcome to my garden. Shortly we're going to take you upstairs to my kitchen, but I thought we'd start down here in the garden and have a chat with my friend Lucio Galletto about traditional Italian food.
So, what's that?
I think maybe you know a thing or two about traditional Italian food.
Yes, yes, I do. Particularly, I lived it actually.
You've lived it your whole
It's
life.
very nice. And mind you, it's a beautiful garden. Congratulations. It's
Grazie.
very nice to be here with you.
We've had some fun in this garden. We've had some
Yes,
good meals around
yes,
this
some
table.
beautiful, beautiful meals and lovely people around.
So what do we think we need to tell our guests about traditional Italian food? What's the important fundamentals of traditional Italian?
Well, first of all, it's about simplicity, about seasonality, and respect for the ingredients. You know, usually, I mean, it took centuries to perfect the Italian traditional food, even with all the invasion of other cultures that
Yes.
influenced with the kitchen. So during that time, it became more regional because different regions were influenced by
Different cultures.
different cultures.
Right.
Yes, the south, the north. You know, the north more from the French and the Austrian, and the south from the Mediterranean cultures. You know, Jewish,
Even from the Arabs,
Arab,
yeah?
Arabs very much so, particularly in Sicily. There's a beautiful. But the good thing is that Italian food, yes, it was influenced, but they made it better.
Of course they did.
You know, things
I
like
agree. You won't get an
you know,
argument from me.
even things like the fregola, which is couscous,
Yes.
but it's so much better. Come on,
When you
isn't
toast
it?
it, of course it's so
Yeah.
much better. So then there was one big influence that came in that affected the whole of Italy. And I'm thinking about the ingredients that came from the New World.
Exactly. Yes.
We now think of them.
That affected most of Italy actually, more to the south because they were invaded by the Spanish. They had just brought the chili.
Right.
So the chili in the south is really, you know, something that they can do without. But yes, I mean now things like tomato, capsicums, beans.
We would never
they're
think
more-
they're not Italian,
That's
right?
right.
But they came
they're
from
more
the Americas.
From the Americas.
And then the corn in the north for polenta also.
polenta.
And the potato for gnocchi.
For gnocchi.
So throughout the whole of the
Exactly.
boot,
That's right. Yeah.
all of those New World.
Unfortunately, I must admit that the gnocchi was actually an Austrian dish.
Oh, shh, we won't tell them that.
No, I haven't.
So really,
But
what
as
the,
well, again, we perfected it.
exactly. So what the
know,
Italians do add so well to this day is they take the influence from everywhere. They add their own simplicity and their own charm and sense of hospitality
That's
to
right.
it.
It says
And
hospitality
they make
and
it
also
perfect.
family. You know, they have in common, all the regions have in common the love of family, the respect for the produce and the seasonality. In fact, I remember growing up in my house in Italy, we had a vegetable garden. And I remember my mother and my father, when they were picking something from the vegetable garden, they were treating it like a precious thing, you know.
Nothing
Like
was
carving, exactly.
respect.
Respect, yes. And then, you know, for me, the memories that I have for growing up like that are really wonderful. You know, I remember even being helpful in picking them up. I said, "Be careful! That's a beautiful one. Don't touch it." Things like that. But the good thing was seeing my mother cooking with a passion, incredible passion and respect, as I said, of the ingredients. That you know, I said, you know, food is a cultural and civil thing. You know, that's you know
The most civilizing
the
factor.
most. I think so.
The
I
art
think
of the
so.
table.
The art of the table.
And it doesn't have to be fancy. It just
No,
has to
not
be
at
shared.
all. Exactly, exactly.
So that's what we're going to focus
That's the beauty
on.
about it, sharing.
Bringing beautiful
Yeah.
food, cooking together, eating together, drinking together.
Drinking together.
Lucio, celebrating friendship. Old friends and new friends.
Grazie. Grazie.
Cheers.
Cheers. Salute.
Salute.